What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome, my friends, to this live stream. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I made a lot of money this morning, guys. I took the opening range breakout. I'll walk you through that right now, and then we're going to look for some hot opportunities. Let's go ahead and retweet. Let everyone know we are live and ready to rock and roll. Let me know where you're tuning in from tonight, guys, and let's get right down with it. All right, live now. Free day trading university. Boom. Who do we have in the building today? Any Trading Wars Army members in here? All right, here we go with SPY. Okay. Okay, get that fib drawn up. Okay. All right. Chicago in the building. N7, what's going on? Johnny, what's going on? Len, Trading Wars Army. Briggs, good to see you. Dr. D, Anthony, good to see you, my friends. Good to see you. Charles, Carol, what's going on, some dude? Good to see you. All right. You guys ready? Hit me with a 1 if you're ready. Can you hear me loud and clear? Everything okay? Ice, what's going on? Let's look. Let's get some trades ready to go, my friends. So Amazon, I am looking at that right now. All right. Okay. So let's start off with the trade we took this morning. So I'll hit the replay and I'm going to walk you through this, guys. All right. So we took a nice, beautiful winner today in the morning, and I'm up good amount of money right now in the morning, and I don't really want to risk too much, but let's see if we can find something else. So this first 3-minute bar, guys, you could see what happened here. This is a gap up or gap down. Hit me with the 1 for gap up. Hit me with the 2 for gap down. What is this? What kind of candle this is? This is a gap up candle, and we are gapping above Thursday's high. So the first thing that I did today, guys, you could see this. Team, I'm looking at the 3-minute orb to start the day. Be ready. Long orb. So we went long at 9:35, and we hit our targets at 9:40 and 9:41. So within 10 minutes, done day trading today. Check this out here, guys. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Okay. So we had a beautiful winner right there, right there. Really, really nice. So we just break of the high of that candle. Okay. There was also an inside bar confirmation right there. Okay. Let me just show you on futures. So on futures, okay, 9:30, and start sending me a chart request. So this was the high. If I measure it out, okay, so we were taking profits right around here, 5 points. It went to a high of about 20 points, which is great. Okay, so on one contract, that's $250. Hit me with a 20 if that's amazing. So you can see right here, guys, just snagged $250 on one contract in the morning. Quick day trade, $250. Can't complain. All right, guys, that's on one contract. You want to hit it with 10 contracts? You want to make 2,500, guys? That's up to you. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm looking at Amazon. Let's get Tesla. What else do you guys have? Start sending them down the line. See what we can find today. So last week we had a great short on Tesla, a nice holy grail. Look at this holy grail and this Nirvana on Tesla. If you guys don't have my free indicators, it doesn't make sense. Look how powerful these little patterns are. The blue is the Nirvana, breakout above, holy grail, boom, breakout above. Right here, let me get you right now. Add the golden indicators, guys. Why don't you have the indicators? You know, everything that's for free, you guys think you think it's not valuable because it's for free. If I put $5,000 on it, someone's gonna buy it and think it's valuable. All right, guys, add it to your chart right now. Let's get the hunting going. Here we go. Tradingwars.com right here. Let's go. Scroll all the way down. Okay, here's my free indicators. I'll copy and paste it, send it to you, put it on your chart. Okay, here we go. All right, so Tesla and NVIDIA. Anything else? So what I want to do, the first thing I want to do is I want to identify something that's not doing what the rest of the market is doing. So we could see SPY. We had today is what we call a gap and go, right? So we got long in the morning, we gap and we just ripped. Okay. But what is doing something different? Do we have anything that's doing something different? Amazon here, 9:30. So Amazon is actually weaker right now than SPY. Okay. So watch this. Okay. So SPY gap up. Amazon did not gap up. Amazon is still in the range. Okay, so I'm going to be watching Amazon. Tesla. Okay, Tesla is always a great one to trade because it can move really, really well. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's draw this fib here, low to high. Okay, so for Tesla, what I really want to see is I want to see a break into a new high of day, and then I want to see how we react in this area right here. So I want to be patient to look for this reversal on Tesla here. NVIDIA, anything else? Meta. Let's see what we got. Procter and Gamble. Nice. This is very nice right here. Okay, this is a good call out here. I like that because Procter and Gamble is looking weak. Okay, Meta. Let's see Meta. Okay, yep, Meta definitely weaker. All right, so these are our weaker stocks. We can look at that. Look at that gap down right here. Okay, so let's look at Meta right here, guys. Okay, Meta, Facebook. Okay, Meta, put that up there. Tesla, Amazon, SPY. Okay. All right, so let's see this right here. Very interested in this one right here, actually. So let's get AMD up here. Okay, so do you guys want to go long or short? Hit me with a 1 for long, hit me with a 2 for short. What are you guys feeling? What are you guys feeling? AMD, that ripping. All right, so let's Meta here. Let's go down to this 2-minute chart. Let's see, so we can see we're approaching the high of the day. Okay, so this is the high of the day. We're on the 2-minute here. Let's look for some patterns here. What I would love to see here, guys, is I would love to see some type of outside bar, holy grail, inside bar. Okay, so I would love to see some of those. So let's see, let's be patient, right? Remember, we're already up on the day. Okay, we're already up on the day with that opening range breakout, so we don't have to be stupid. Okay, because money is sometimes, you know, it's hard to come by, so we got to respect it. So let's see. Okay, so Tesla, again, let's wait. I want to see this reaction if we get a new high of day. Meta here, looking to see if it can get weaker. So let's watch here. We'll look for a holy grail, inside bar, outside bar, something like that. Amazon as well, SPY. Okay, so just be chilling out. Procter & Gamble. So Procter & Gamble, we could already see some Fibonacci action. Take our Fibonacci from our low to our high right here, right on that 50% retracement. So there is some type of algo happening in here. So let's just be patient and see. Are you guys green on the day? Hit me with a 1 if you made profit with me in the morning. Hit me with a 2 if you're down on the day. Either one is fine. Okay. I just want to get a gauge of things because today was a pretty simple day. We gapped up. We took the break of the 3-minute bar, $250 in 10 minutes and just walk away. But what did you guys do today? Let me know while we're waiting here for these setups. Meta. Okay. Meta going into a new high of day, guys. I'm watching here this 2-minute right here. I'm watching this very closely. There we go. Okay. I'm watching this for some type of inside bar, some type of pattern, some type of setup here. Okay. Just waiting. So in the Discord, yeah. So this is where we went long this morning right here. This is the opening range breakout. We hit our targets. We were done by 9:41. So Tesla, waiting. Meta here. All right. So let's just wait here for our setup here, guys. And then we'll take a trade. Just going to be patient here, guys. Let's look at the Qs. See if there's anything. Let's look at NQ futures. See if there's anything here. Waiting to take a short on Meta. Just want to see something. Okay. Waiting to see if we can get a holy grail, a nirvana, and then I'll be looking to take a short on this one. We're just going to be patient here. Yeah, so I will be taking trades through my phone with the broker. Just waiting for a setup, okay? And so I'm probably going to look to take a future trade with my phone here. So let me... What do you guys want? Futures, shares, options? Hit me with a 1 for futures. Hit me with a 2 for shares. Hit me with 3 for options. So let's do one. You guys want to do one micro contract here? How does one micro contract sound? Just a small one to test the waters. Okay. So here we go. All right. Just waiting though, guys. Look, at this point here, this is the issue here. We don't have a good enough pullback. Okay. There's not a deep enough pullback for me to look for a long, and there's not a exhaustion pushing higher for me to want to short, right? So in that case, just going to be patient. Sometimes you got to be patient, guys. So I see a lot of, I'm going to take a screenshot and show you guys my P&L on the day while we wait. 1 second. Let me tweet this out right now. So this one was off opening range breakout. So, I mean, I'm up. I just sent it out on Twitter. I'm up $1,756, guys. That is, you know, not bad. So right here, guys. So how much should we risk on this? Should we risk? What do you guys think? How much of this gain should we risk on the day? $500, $100, $50? What are you guys comfortable with risking? You tell me. I have room to play with here. Send me some numbers in the chat. And guys, if you feel like you're not getting any value, I'm just going to tell you guys right now. If you guys feel like you're not getting value from the stream, just leave. Don't waste my time. Don't waste anybody else's time. Okay? So, all right. So let's look for, a few $100 here. SPY. Okay. Amazon, Tesla. So, okay, let's watch Tesla. Here's the high of the day. Here's the high of the day for Tesla. Let's watch what happens when it breaks. Meta. Look at this shit. It's going nonstop. It's starting to squeeze. There's a gap right here. So let's draw some of these points here. So there's this one right here. That's the low. Okay. Be watching that. Okay. All right, guys. This one's a bit dangerous, but let's go for this. Okay. So this is the high point that we had. This is the high of the day. And I'm going to pull it down right here. Okay. So we are on the 786 right now. So the high 41. So this is using futures 41.4175. Yeah, this one is scary, but I'll keep it. We have a little bit small risk. It is what it is. Okay, so here we go. We're right on the 786 right now. Okay. So what I'm looking for, the short right here, right below. Let me draw it up for you guys. That's the short entry. Okay. Put that in red. And the stop loss we're going to put on the other side of this bar. So we're waiting to see if this outside bar can break. Okay. So short 41.3725, stop loss 41.3925. So that's only, 2 points of risk. That's nothing. That's $100. All right. So let me load it up here on the broker. So the way that I like to do this, order ticket. So we're going to do order ticket. And if you have a very small account, then use MES, right? And guys, remember, you don't have to take any of these trades that I'm doing here. This is just for education, okay? You don't have to take anything that I'm doing here. But I'm just showing you guys what I do, how I analyze the market. I don't want you to feel pressured, all right? So here we go. So I'm looking at the June contract right here. The other option is we can short right now. What do you want to do? Hit me with a 1. You want to short right now, put a stop loss at the high of the day, or do you want to wait for that outside bar to break? Which one do you guys want to do? Either one is fine. We short right now, okay? Here, guys, it's what? 3 points. That's not bad. All right, you guys want to do it? All right, let's short that right now. Okay, so sell. So I'm going to sell. I'm going to show you guys how to do this with a small account. So I'm going to sell 1 micro contract right now. Okay, 1 second. Quantity 1. And I'm just going to hit the market because I'm not really worried about the fills. All right, so sell 1 micro. Boom. I don't know if you guys heard that. That was the fill. So I am filled short on this trade. Did you guys hear that? And I'm down $2 right now. Right? So let's go ahead now and draw this up. Hit me with a 5 if you guys heard that. All right, so we'll draw this up. Here's our short. There's our max stop loss. There's a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So this one is just based on a fib. This is counter trend, okay? This is counter trend because we've been just rallying all day. But I like this here, okay? I like this here because we have this push down into the pullback on the 786, okay? So the same thing is happening on SPY. If you guys want to use options, this is the same thing that's happening, okay? So there we go. So there's my 1-to-1 target is right there. If we can get there, guys, I'll be happy. I'll just take some profits there, to be honest. But yeah, so the same thing is happening on SPY if you want to do the options right here. So this is our high point. This is our low right there. There's our 786 rejection. So you could do like the 411 puts right there and go for that as well. And then let's see if we can find something else. Tesla, Meta. So Meta is trying to find, Meta is kind of squeezing vertically, whereas SPY is kind of going sideways, which is interesting to see. Procter & Gamble double bottom on the 50%. Interesting. NQES. All right, so I'm just going to be patient here. Let's see if we can let this trade play out here. So this is, I'm doing MES, micro futures. So 1 point is $5 risk. So I'll keep it really small because I'm already up on the day, right, guys? So right, look, I'm already up on the day. I don't want to give that all back, right? So I'm just going to do a micro, keep it small. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if you guys are in. You guys in? So the goal is to see something like this. This is a counter trend trade, okay? So that's very important you guys understand that. So I would love to take some profits at the 618. And then if we could get down to the 618, I'll probably go to break even. All right, just to see if we can get a scalp. I mean, the price action is relatively slow right now, which kind of sucks. Nice lower drive. But do you guys see how it's rejection on this? It's rejecting on the 786. Hit me with a 2 if you see that. So what's happening is you can see here, look, when we're on the 786 fib, it's rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. It doesn't mean it's going to crash, but you could see that there's some type of algorithm trying here to push it. There's an algorithm that's trying, okay? So that's why we're taking this trade right there. All right, that's beautiful. Yeah, let's see, guys. Can we come back down there? Can we come? That's beautiful right there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to move the stop loss to the high right here. So even if I lose, I'm going to lose extremely tiny because the reason I want to do that is because I have an outside bar. Okay. The reason I want to do that is because I have an outside bar. So an outside bar gives me more confidence that this could be a potential reversing point. However, if it doesn't reverse here and it goes right back up, guys, then that's a bad sign for me. Okay. So we're really close to the target. I would love to hit this target right now, guys, with you guys. All right, hit me with a 10 if you guys are enjoying it. Come on, get down there for me, dude. Don't make me look bad on stream, guys. I mean, if you're an extreme scalper, right, you could have just scalped right there, and on one contract, you probably would have made. So let's see right here. So let's measure it. 38.75, right? That's 1 point right there. That's 50. Okay, didn't quite get the 2 points. But if you're just a scalper, guys, you trying to scalp like crazy, that's $50 if you want to take that 1 point. But I'm going to just let this come down here to the 618. And you know what, guys? Let's go to break even. All right, let's just be conservative here. No need to be. If it's going to go, it's going to go. Hit me with the 15 if you agree with me here. If you guys agree, break even stop loss. I want to go like shop around. Here we go. Tesla new high of is trying to Tesla is the market is This one might tag us at break even. That's fine. Wait, where did my thing go? There we go. Can you guys hear me okay? Am I lagging? Hit me with a 5 if I'm lagging. It's very close to the break-even stop loss there, guys. It is. All right, hold up. Let me swap the internet out. All right, are we good now? I swapped out the internet there. Hit me with a 10. Hear me okay? I think this one is going to take us out at break even, guys. Yep. So, all right, we tried on that one. It is what it is. I'm out. You guys heard that? That's my fill. So it was a good attempt there. We'll regroup now and look for something else. If you wanted to scalp it, there was 1 point right there. That's $50, but otherwise in that, not too much. But let's look if we could find something else now. So that's how I managed my trades there. So you saw what I did. So I had some profit. I just moved it to break even, and unfortunately didn't get to the target. Hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. This brother right here, Bill, made 1 point. That's my boy right there. Bill, congratulations. 1 point. That's a point you didn't have before. What would make me sad is if this thing actually reverses right here. That would make me sad. But let's see if we can find something else. Okay. Being patient. Waiting. See if we can find something. If this thing comes back and hits my 618, I'll be mad. We'll see. So when you're using the micro contract, so this ES is the full contract. So if you took ES, right, 1 point is $50. If you're taking micro, how much is 1 point? Let's see if you guys know. How much is micro? Yeah, I mean, this price action right now is very slow. It wasn't like last Friday. Last Friday, we were killing it. It was just going boom, bang. All right, so it looks like we made the right choice with that. Here's the thing, guys. When you can manage a trade and get the stop loss to break even, it's a risk-free trade. You know, and that's critical. Yeah, $5 exactly. Just waiting here. Anything else you guys want me to look at? Send me something else. PayPal is up huge on the day. Gap and go. Apple is up huge on the day as well, but that's just a gap and chop. So that's the difference, right? Sometimes you look at stocks, okay, and it looks like it's up a lot, but really and truly the move happened with the gap overnight, and then it just goes sideways. So don't get fooled sometimes, guys. From a day trading perspective, something's up doesn't mean that, you know, sometimes they run it up overnight. Yeah, nothing on Amazon. Just hanging out, waiting. Still looking at futures here. It's extremely slow right now. It's like watching paint dry. Hit me with a 15 if you agree. I don't want to take a long on ES because we are approaching the high of the day. So it's not a good risk to reward. I'm not saying it could squeeze. It could just go up forever. But if I was going to buy, right, I will be buying on the pullback. So the pullback, I take this high to low. The pullback was here on that 382, looking at that hammer bar. That's when I would buy. Just trying to focus on a good risk to reward. Chewy. Does anybody still trade that? Okay, so Meta, this is a very interesting point right here. No, I don't link my broker to TradingView. I've tried to, and I hadn't have a good time doing it, and I have a lot of capital, so I don't trust it. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't trust it. When I grew my account, I was, working full-time job, and I used to trade from my phone. I used to trade from my phone all the time. Do you guys do that? Hit me with a 5 if you do that. So I'm very used to trading with my phone. It's just like second nature to me. Sometimes I prefer to trade with my phone than with the desktop. Okay, so here we go. Very nice. So what I'm looking here on Facebook Meta, so you see that we had this gap fill. There's still some more room there, but we touched this wick right here. Okay, so now we have this inside bar here. If this can close with an inside bar, this will be a great setup here. So you could do some puts, you can do some shares, anything you want to do. But this is really, let's give it a minute to close. Okay. So I hope that closes as an inside bar. Stay. Go back up. That would be a really nice setup for us to play off of. Didn't. All right, so this already broke down. Might still give it a shot. If the candle closes somewhere around here in the next 20 seconds, that would be a great setup for me. But you see, guys, right here, there was that little gap fill point there, and it rejected hard. I didn't want to just take it on there, though. I wanted to wait for a candlestick pattern, but this one might have just gone without us. That's okay. See SPY rejecting on the 786 again, guys. See that rejection right there? How much is a 0 DTE puts right now? Just for fun. Let's see. Order ticket, SPY. I might just do it, guys, and just leave. I might just take these puts right here and just leave. So May 4th. So we need May 5th. Okay, let me do puts. And we will do the 4. So go into money. 411 puts. May 5th. So it's 52 cents. Should we do it? Should we buy 2 right here? Buy. Should I do it? Okay, it's 50 cents. Just for a lotto. I think I might do it, guys. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm actually watching it to do it. I know it's rallying here, guys, but a part of me just wants to do this counter trend trade. Okay, hold on. I'm waiting. I'm waiting here. All right, I'm doing it. Don't hate me for this, guys. All right, so I bought the 411 put 0 DTE, 49 cents. I have 2 of them. Okay. I'm scared. Hit me with the 10. So I'm already, like I said, guys, it's a counter trend trade. I'm up $1,756 on the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm reinvesting just $100 of that money into some puts, looking to see if we get short. And the reason I'm doing that is because we have SPY at the 786. Okay. And I'm just going for it. All right. Hit me with a 1. You think I'm going to hit it? Hit me with the 2 if no. Could even add one more time on that 90. Oh boy, it's going against me already. There's that 90. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Don't follow me, guys, if you don't have the courage, because I'm already up on the day. So I'm gonna do 2 more right here. Okay, so I got 2 and 2. My max stop loss is gonna be the high of day right there. Okay. You guys hear me? So 411 put May 5th. Going for it, okay? Yeah, so max stop loss is the high of the day right there. So I got my average price is 43 cents, so that's not bad. All right. If I lose this trade, I'll be done for the day because I don't want to give back any of my gains. But the reason I'm also doing this, guys, is because this 90% mark right here, that 90% gives me a very good risk to reward if I risk off of this point there. Okay. So, all right. So I'm going to hang out for another 5 or 10 minutes and then I got to leave. But I'm going to keep this on until the end of the day and we'll see what we can do. So I would love for this to come back down to the 618. That would be a great target there. So I showed you guys futures. I showed you guys options. I showed you guys different things. Okay. Hit me with the 10 if you enjoyed that. I'm trying to show you a little bit of everything. I am going against the trend, I am going against the trend, but I think it's a good risk reward. And we did have a 1 point, we had 1 point on futures here, but it looks like I might be out of luck today, guys. So, all right, guys, let me see. It's at 38 cents right here. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait here. So I'm going to just use a stop loss of 50%. So my average is 43 cents. Or I'm going to just take this to the close. I think I'll just take this to the close, guys. All right, let's see if we can find anything else. All right. So I'm down 40 bucks. So my net now is 1,700 bucks. So it is what it is. I'm going to hang out. I'm going to just be patient. See if I can find something else in the meantime. I'm not giving up on this one just yet because you could see right here, we made a new high of day. We're starting to reject. If things are going to get nasty, they're going to get nasty right here, guys. So there we go. You see that rejection at the high of the day? I could have added a little bit more at the high of the day. See that, guys? Hit me with a 10 if you see that. That's what I was trying to play for. But I think I got in just a little bit too early. Is that new high of day? And then we see that new high of day, that trap right there, guys. Boom, straight down. This would have been actually better to take with futures. It would have been better to take this with futures. So because we could have already made a point or two off of that. That's what I was looking for. I think I jumped the gun a little bit on that. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. So see, so the high of the day was 411.64. And as soon as we made a new high, guys, we made a new high by 3 cents. We get that rejection, right? And sometimes that rejection. So if you look at this from a scalper's perspective, the scalper has already done their job, right? But these could be devastating moves where we completely roll over. All right. So I'm going to see if I can find something else. So Meta has filled the gap completely now. All right. So let's look on Meta here, watching this one, because remember, Meta was weak on the day. Okay. So let's see. So I'm watching Meta. So I'll put Meta at the front, put SPY at the front, put Tesla. Tesla's kind of slowing down. Tesla at the front. Okay. Apple is weaker as well. Because notice Apple didn't make a high of day. All right. So SPY slowing down here, guys. Slowing down. Meta watching SPY. Apple. Did you guys see that Apple did not make a new high of day, but SPY did? Hit me with the 15 if you saw that. That's interesting. Very interesting to see that. Might mean that it's a little bit weaker. I wish I could have got you guys a clean winner today like we did last week, but I went against the trend today. And so far, no good. So let's see how much I'm down right now. $50.44. So it's not, not going to kill me. I'm actually going to take a short on Meta as well. Okay, I'm going to short Meta. So Meta filled for me. Meta was our trigger last night. So I'm going to take a short on Meta right now. I'm going to take it with shares. All right, let me get the play right here. So Meta, our short was 233.46. Okay, so I'm short on Meta, guys, and I'm short on SPY. So I have those two, and I'm going to play these into the close. Okay. I mean, everything looks good for me for Meta, right? So we have our gap fill here. It was a gap down. It was weak. Everything looked good, right? So I'm going for this one. All right. Hit me with a 10. I'm going for this one. I'm going for both of them, and I'm going to play both of these. So SPY, this one's probably dead, but I'm going to try Meta, and I'm play that into the close. We have the gap fill, a lot of different things here. I'm going to risk $500 on Meta. I risked $100 on SPY. Okay, so I'm risking $600 in total, and I'm up on the day before I took these trades. I was up 1,756 on the opening range breakout when we went long in SPY in the morning. When we took this first candle right here, we went long, and I took some profit on that. So hit me with a 15 if all of that makes sense. Okay, probably going to lose this one. Meta, my entry is right there. Okay, I took shares on that one. This one was already set up last night. That was a part of our free picks. Okay, so what I'll do, guys, is I gotta run. So I'll check back in an hour or so, and I'll post on Twitter how this trade ends up. Nonetheless, even if I lose this trade, I'll still be up about 1,000, and I'm grateful for $1,000 to have on the weekend. I'm not gonna kill myself over it. All right. Okay, guys. I hope you like the live stream. If you want to see more of these, you can learn from me risking my money. I think that's the key is I want to risk my capital so you can learn. Hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. I want to risk my capital so you can learn. If you guys want to see more of this, all you got to do is this. Check this out. Here's the live video. Oops. Here's the live video right here. Oops. Every week, my goal is to get 5 new army members. So you can click the join button right there. And if you click join right here, guys, it's $4.99 a month. You will have, did I just join myself? You will have access to these live streams. I try to do them every single week, and I'll do free picks for you guys every single day. I post free content. So if you want to join the Trading Wars Army, the goal is 5 a week. And that's the goal right there. Right. So hopefully Meta turns around here. As always, check me out, tradingwars.com. The morning was very simple for us, guys. You could see we just went long on the opening range breakout, and that was really easy trade. And then right now it seems really choppy. So I'm just going to set the trade. I'm going to forget it and walk away. What else? Tradingwars.com. Check me out. Sign up right here for the room. Or guys, if you're interested, I always do a deal for those that watch this video. So if you're watching the video live right now, instead of getting 1 month for free in the Discord, I'll give you 60 days. So 2 months, you'll get my indicators for life as well. So I know you guys are in the middle of the day. So if anyone's watching this right now, you want to take advantage of this, you can go ahead and purchase online and send me an email. Okay. And I will, I'll give you that extra month for free. Thank you so much, my friends. Hit me with the 15 on the way out, and have a nice day. All right. We'll watch Meta, guys. See if this one can make me some money. I'll post it at the close. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.